are you doing? What are you doing?
I want orange.
What is that in front of you? What is that? Are you cooking?
I want orange.
I'm gonna give you the orange. Okay, what is that in the pot? What's that in the pot? What's that in the pot? What's that in the pot?
Later.
What? You don't know what you're cooking? These are the stuff what you guys do when mommy come home and see, she just say, why I let you guys to do these stuff. Look at that.
Hello. I'm cooking.
What are you cooking, Alex?
I'm cooking pasta.
Pasta?
Yeah.
So you need all of 3 pots to cook pasta.
Yeah.
So pasta, how are you cooking?
Daddy, what time is it on the refrigerator?
It's 11:30.
11:30. Oh, my back.
It's 11:30.
Already.
Mm-hmm.
I think I'm gonna get ready. Dad, I'm gonna get ready to put on my clothes to go to summer camp.
Okay.
Oh, and then we can leave at we can jump in the car at 12:20. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure you clean those stuff up. I'm not
Okay.
doing it.
Okay. Nancy, I'm gonna
Pops.
give the pasta to you, okay?
No, I need to pack up because he's coming along. Clean up everything. Seriously. Wow.
There. Now put these pots away. Ow, my back! Oh. I've been leaning down.
Yeah.
No, go for me.
No.
Oh,
You need to take up
cut my back.
those lunch containers.
Okay. Daddy, no, go by me.
You gonna pack back these guys up? You gonna put them back in the container?
No. Yes.
So who's gonna do it? Who's gonna pack it up?
You.
Okay.
I'm not doing that.
Okay.
Max can do that. He's the one who took it out first.
Yeah, no, that's what he does, man. He took out stuff
Oh.
and then when it's time to put it back, he don't wanna put it back.
And anyway, I'm not doing that. I have summer camp to go to.
Okay.
And I need to get ready. Oh.
Alex, come take up the spoon now.
The other one.
Yeah, there's 2 trees. They got the 2 big spoon.
Stop it.
And take up the little red one too. Yeah.
These ones can go over here.
Max, come on,
These ones go over here.
we're gonna drop our sissy at summer school. Okay? You coming?
Oh my God.
You wanna come?
Yeah. Not yet. 12, 20.
12 what?
Oh, why am I acting like a grandma?
Oh wow.
No.
Yeah. Yeah. Alex, how did the lime juice? How did the lime juice get right here, dear? So don't you think you should put it back? Okay. When you finish, you can put it back. You guys giving me too much work.
Me?
Already, it's not you guys not even on full summer break it, and these are the stuff that you guys are doing in the house. And then when mommy come home, mommy be going full throttle on me. No, we're not having that, guys. We are not. I'm not having that. Especially this guy right here. You. Yeah. Let's take out stuff you don't love. Put it back. Yeah. Yeah. You. I'm talking to you. Yeah. Yeah. You guy. Hey guy. Guy. Yo, bro. Yeah, I'm talking to you. You need to take out the pot and go put it back in the cupboard.
No.
Why not? So we think gonna do it?
Yeah.
When?
No.
Okay. 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 Let's see if I'm really gonna do it. It's gonna stay there till mommy comes, you know? These are the stuff that you guys do, and then when I tell you to pack it up back, you leave it, and then when we come home, she go off on me. Okay, I ain't touching it. I am not touching it.
Hey.
But anyway, we gotta drop our city to summer school. I'm gonna get you ready, all right? I'm gonna get you ready. All right? We can drive underneath the tunnel, and you will see it. Okay? All right, let's go. Guys, I'm going to get them ready to drop off Sissy at summer school. He said he want to see a big building in the community, so I'm going to drive underneath the tunnel so that he can see it. All right? Stay tuned. Tell everybody, see you later. All right.
I dressed up.
What? What happened?
Huh?
What you say?
I did my hair.
You just did your hair?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It kept on, it messed up like 3 times, so I had to do it 3 times.
You have to redo it?
Yes, like 3 times.
Oh, wow, that's amazing. So broski, you're not gonna do your hair?
No.
What?
No.
Why not? Okay.
He's not going to that school anyway.
All
He's
right.
not going to 7
All right. Finish clean up the place and then we get ready, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah. Put them back up in the container. Yeah. Max, they need to go back in the container. No, you're not gonna do it. Okay, give him the box, Alice, let him do it. Put it in the containers. Hey, you have the 2 containers right there.
Oh, yeah.
There's one and there's one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I'll do this one. That's the one with the lid. That's going to have the lid on. No, we made a big lid. Oh, my back. Oh. Oh, I keep on leaning down. My back hurts. No, okay, not for Max, come on, do your container. No, Max, you're not playing no more. We have to clean up.
Max, they need to pack up.
It's almost about to be 12 o'clock.
Wow. Seriously, Max? Seriously? Wow. Awesome. Awesome, bro. Seriously. Wow. 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 Okay. Wow. Seriously.
That's not funny.
That's not cool, Max. That is so not cool. No.
You told me this.
Wow.
I'm picking this up.
Wow. Yeah. These are the stuff that you guys do, and then when mommy come home, you guys blame me. Oh, you guys and mommy blame me. Oh, but daddy let us do it. Daddy let us do it. Okay, daddy let you guys do it. Okay.
There's something. There's a thing in my bed. I went to a different summer school or summer camp. It was Boys and Girls Club.
It was Boy and Girl Club?
Yeah, I like that. But I think this was going to be funner.
Okay,
Because mommy had a meeting on on her phone and said that that the people that were on the meeting, they will be at that summer school, and they said it will be really fun.
Okay.
Yeah.
So yes, guys, I'm getting ready to drop her off at summer camp. Max summer camp start in July.
No, he has summer school.
Yeah, Max has summer school.
Yeah.
So Max summer school will be starting in July.
Yeah.
So I'm just dropping off Alex and then come back home with this guy. And I'm going to leave the house until you guys come back home to clean it up. I'm not cleaning it up. And I'm not joking.
Clean it up, and if he throws it on the floor, he's gonna clean up the part that he threw it on the floor.
Yeah. So guys, see when I'm dropping her off at school at camp, because they're taking this thing for a joke. If you guys see how they did the house with the macaroni and cheese, with the macaroni and pasta. Yeah. These are the stuff they do. And when their mom come, when Naled come home, she be blaming me like crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can keep on laughing, Max. I'm not cleaning it up. I think Max said that you want to go underneath the tunnel, right?
I know.
Yeah. I'm gonna drive underneath the tunnel.
I hope so. The tunnel is near 7th Avenue School. 7th Avenue
Yes,
School.
it take us out on the back road.
Okay.
Yeah. Sorry.
At least we left at like 12:09 because it's a little far.
Wanna buy what?
Milk
Milk take?
No,
we're not going over there. I'm gonna drop off Alex at summer camp.
I don't think I'm gonna go back to Ghana. It's cool, but I like Ocean better. Ocean has more cooler stuff.
Okay.
Like there's like a little place where you can fire stuff and where you can relax. And there's a place that you can go on, like there's like a balcony that you can see the ocean.
Okay.
Yeah, I saw a family go up there.
Okay. You? No.
Daddy.
Yes.
You need the water?
No. So yes, guys, I'm gonna drive. Max said that he wanted to go underneath the tunnel, so I'm gonna drive underneath the tunnel. I'm driving behind a trash truck, and he's like,
Car dirty.
yeah. So here comes the tunnel, guys. We are going underneath the tunnel. Yay! Underneath the tunnel.
Hello.
Yay!
Hey,
Yeah.
don't mommy give me.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at the truck right there. Like there's like lights going around the truck.
Yeah.
Like that's funny.
Underneath the tunnel.
Yay.
Coming from underneath the tunnel. How did you guys like the drive underneath the tunnel?
Cool.
Cool?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are we almost here?
No, we got a couple more blocks to go.
Oh, no. Hope we get there soon.
We're gonna get there.
Okay. Oh, no. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore. Jersey Shore.
We're going to Savard Avenue. That's where we're going.
Yeah, 7th Avenue.
So we just passed California right here. Now we're going to Ohio.
How many more blocks do we have?
I'm not sure.
I hope it's like about 3 blocks or 2 or 3 blocks,
So guys, we finally arrive at the summer camp,
Yeah.
but we have to be waiting because there is a mighty long line. supposed to start at 12:30, but I guess they have to do verification and everything because there's a ton load of people, a ton load of parents out here with their kids.
Max, give it to me.
Yeah, Max, behave yourself, Max.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
No, it's mine. You take it off. It's fine.
So I'm gonna show you. So this is what is going on, my viewers. Yeah. Crazy. Unbelievable. Yeah. All right, Alex, let's see if we can get you inside. It look like, no, I'll wait until that crowd move out and then I'll take you in because you're gonna have to be standing up there for a minute.
I'm like that.
Yeah.
No, you're not.